Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's me, Beer Stud. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I'm just doing a video on some screwdrivers and testing out this editing app, see how well it works. But I know there was a topic a few months back about professional tools from a tool truck compared to what's considered a industrial style tools, and I really got to say, this is my only opinion, I really don't think there's that big of a difference between using tool truck brand compared to industrial style brand. Now I will say there is a difference as far as using what's dubbed now as a happy homeowner special. I will say, you know, this is definitely a different as far as the handles, but as far as getting the job done, it still works. I mean, when I first started wrenching, you know, this was the style that I got. It worked fine, works great, until some meathead that screws down a fastener before you that has to be an Incredible Hulk or got the He-Man strength, where now, you know, or these make the job a little bit easier and you can feel a difference. I mean, we can start with the snap-on here. You know, it's got that hard plastic and kind of like a rubbery grip. Feels good on the hand. You know, it's kind of comfortable no matter which way you do it. You know, and it even's got a slot for a wrench if you need extra torque to loosen or tighten. Even down to the little stubbies. You know, then move it to the SK. Now they're all hard plastic, as you can see from right here, but it still feel comfortable on the hand no matter which way you grip it. And it also too has a spot for a wrench to give it extra torque if you need it, where as you see, this has a square body where you can get a small wrench. But again, I feel there's no difference between using these two styles. Kind of like to know what you think, what type of set you use. I mean, do you use the Craftsman? Do you use even the old-fashioned ones with a wooden handle? Or do you use a different tool brand altogether? Or do you like the ones that has the hole where you can stick a screwdriver or a little metal bar through it? Or does it need to be tethered, you know? But again, that's my opinion. And as I always say, like, dislike, please subscribe. Take care and have a safe one.